So welcome back my friend in my new and very most important video. And if you see my thumbnails, in the thumbnails you can see in this video I can show you if you have Samsung a smartphone, and if you successfully hard reset, you cannot configure your smartphone without entering the Gmail ID, and you forget the Gmail ID account credential. So in this video I can show you how can you easily uh, configure your smartphone, means unlock your smartphone without using any Gmail ID and without using computer and without using any kind of software tool. In just 5 minutes you can configure and unlock your any Samsung model at your home. If you have any Samsung like A series, S series, F series, M series and J series. So let's start the video first. You can easily see here I have totally two smartphones, and I have also many smartphones to unlock Google FRP. Okay, so if you really still want to unlock your smartphone, so you have to follow all these videos method into your locked Samsung smartphone. But remember that this method is certified by service center, so you have to complete watch this video. Okay, so first of all you have to go back to the home screen, and if you have any Android model like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, so this method will 100% work. You have to change your language first to English United States. Because of that, the Google is also from United States, so you have to select the same and click OK. Done. After selecting the region, you have to open the emergency call option here, and here you have to dial a very unique secret code. This is *#0 *#0 *#, and after entering the code, this page will open into your mobile screen. So you have to open the sensor option here like that, and you have to wait for 5 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5, and all done. Your synchronizing is completed. So go back to the home screen, and again you have to dial a very unique number *91113 *50801 *#, and here you have to do the same thing *9113 *50801 *#, and you have to call this code and go back to the main screen. When you comes here, you have to start your configuration. Click agree to all, click agree again, click more, click agree, click OK, set up manually. And you can see here you have to connect your smartphone with the internet or mobile hotspot. Okay, when you successfully connect your smartphone with the internet, you have to click the next button here, and this phone will redirect to next page. After that, your phone will asking to enter your correct pin pattern password lock here, but you also forget this, so you have to click use my Google account instead here, and this is very important. Use my Google account instead. And now in this page you can see here no any skip messages. Okay, you cannot skip this whole process, so you have to click the email and mobile number. After that, this keyboard section will open, so you have to find this a small setting icon and click OK. After that, you can see here, go to the last option. This is layout, and turn on the alternative characters and go back. Find out the layout, go turn on the alternative characters and select last www.slash.com and go back. After that, go to the reset to default setting, and maybe in your phone 2 option or 4 option. Okay, so you have to reset all of them one by one, and this is very important. After that, go back and go to the suggest text corrections option. This is the suggest text corrections, and you have to see here there are no any manage apps option here. So go back to the first option. This is languages and types. So click here and you have to click manage input languages. After that, you have to again find the English US and UK, okay, and turn off all other languages and go to the right side corner and find three dot and click here and click check for updates again, check for updates also. And after that, this update message will come, so you have to click update to install. After successful install the updates, you have to go back and again open the suggest text corrections option, and now in this time you got it this manage apps option here, so click here to open this. And after that, my friend, you have to turn on and you have to turn off some few applications here, like go down, turn off the Galaxy Store, My Galaxy and Samsung Max VPN. And after that, you have to do the same thing here. You have to find the Gemini, turn off, go to Samsung Max VPN and My Galaxy. Okay, go back to the main page. Okay, and after that you have to configure your smartphone as usual. So click agree, click more, click agree, click next, set up manually, click the next button here, and got it, my friend. This skip message will comes into your mobile screen like that. And this whole process is very important if you seriously want to unlock your all kind of Samsung model at your home at free of cost. So you have to only click the skip message here and done. Your smartphone will unlock now by using this amazing service center method. And if you have any type of queries regarding this amazing method, so you have to comment us by subscribing our YouTube channel, and then after our team will help you within 10 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your all kind of Samsung smartphone like that. Okay, you have to only follow this all methods into your logged Samsung smartphone. And this is, I told you, this method is also from service center, so you have to follow all these methods one by one. And if you have any queries, so you have to only comment your specific Samsung model name by subscribing our YouTube channel, and then after our team will reply to you within 10 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your all kind of Samsung smartphone at your home. You can see here, don't try to forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. This is very important. And don't try to skip this video at any moment, my friends, otherwise you won't be able to learn how can you unlock your Samsung smartphone. This is certified method, so you have to only apply these all methods into your logged Samsung model. And you can see here, you can now sign in with the new Gmail ID account credential into your Samsung smartphone. So if you have any type of queries, comment us, our team will reply very soon. Okay, so my friend, thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.